Sea transport in the Philippines is a major contributor to the economy, as it is responsible for the transfer of people, goods, and services across 7,600 islands making up the archipelago. This major feat would not be possible without the shipbuilding and ship repair sector in the country. In 2019 alone, Philippine shipbuilders were responsible for a total of 738,061 gross tons worth of large and small ships, used for domestic shipping and export. While in the same year, aside from China, Korea, Japan, and Europe, the Philippines remained a global leader in the shipbuilding group, amassing a total of 41.4% of the total order book in the rest of the world shipbuilding group. The Maritime Industry Authority, or the Marina, recognizes the importance of the Philippine shipbuilding and ship repair industry and continues to publish the necessary issuances to address the several industry-specific concerns. The Marina is also geared towards maintaining the country's place as a maritime hub for the construction of safe, functional, and environmentally friendly ships. One of the most pressing issues that the nation continues to address is the development of a greener shipbuilding industry, as a response to the worsening marine pollution present in our seas. The Marina is also at the forefront of the integration of international maritime instruments into the Philippines' maritime policies in areas of ship design and construction, ship maintenance, maritime safety, and marine environment protection. It has also partnered with the Philippines Department of Science and Technology for research and development activities in maritime transport. The cooperation has resulted in the study for the development of energy-efficient water transport technologies, sources of renewable energy, intelligent transport systems, and other new and emerging innovations for the maritime transport sector. Several circulars have also been drafted by the Marina as steps towards a more sustainable shipbuilding and ship repair industry. These regulations also aim to protect and preserve natural resources in the country. In 2018, the Philippines ratified Annex 6 of the MARPOL Convention. The main purpose of this convention is to limit the air pollutants released by ships, including sulfur oxides and ozone-depleting substances. The final phase of its implementation, now known as the IMO 2020, sets the cap of the sulfur content of ships' fuel oil to 0.5%, a figure significantly lower than the previous 3.5%. As a party to the Annex 6 of the MARPOL Convention, the Philippines formulated a comprehensive circular that outlines the responsibility of ship owners to regulate the emissions of seagoing vessels in the domestic and overseas trades. The protection of marine resources is also one of the agency's central concerns in maintaining sustainable shipbuilding and ship repair practices. In a recently issued circular, MC number SR 2020-05 rules and regulations were laid out for the control and management of ships' ballast water and sediments in compliance to Ballast Water Management, or the BWM. The Marina also issued a circular, MC number SR 2020-04, that is designed to regulate the application of anti-fouling paints and systems in ships in compliance to the International Convention on the Control of Harmful Anti-Fouling Systems in Ships, or the AFS Convention. The Marina believes that the marine environment should not serve as collateral damage to the expansion of shipping services. With the boom of the shipbuilding and ship repair industry in the country comes with it the production of waste materials. Acknowledging the risk of pollution from sewer discharge from ships and scraps from shipbreaking activities, the Marina has issued several relevant advisories. MC number SR 2020-02, Rules and Regulations on the Construction of Tank and Installation of Equipment to Collect, Store, and Treat Sewage from Ships in compliance with Annex 4 of MARPOL 7378, as amended. MC number SR 2020-01, Rules and Regulations relating to registration and licensing of shipbreaking or ship recycling facilities and for other purposes. Consistent with Philippine laws and international standards, these policies oblige ship owners and operators to undertake necessary steps to reduce the environmental, health, and safety risks arising from the dumping of ship sewage water and recycling of ship scraps. The Philippines is greatly blessed for being an archipelagic country and for having a maritime workforce that is widely recognized abroad. In recent years, there have been several remarkable shipbuilding accomplishments, all thanks to skilled Filipino workers in the industry. Being a competitive player in the global shipbuilding market is not only a recognition but also a challenge. And with the Marina's strategic plans, a greener future awaits.